Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best Keurig coffee makers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Keurig K Mini. The K Mini is the easiest Keurig machine money can buy. Its water reservoir is fit for the exact serving size you'd like, however much water you add is how much coffee you'll get. It can hold and brew up between 6 to 12 ounces. It comes equipped with hideaway cord storage, making it easy to move around, and its 2 buttons, one for power, another for brew, make operating it a cinch. It's the smallest Keurig available, measuring 4.5 inches in width and about 11 inches deep, which is slimmer than the K Slim, and it's available in eye-catching colors including green, rose, teal, gray, and red. However, like many barebones Keurigs that lack a strong setting or multi-stream technology, the K Mini can't produce a deep flavor profile. The coffee produced by this machine is just okay, but that doesn't match up to some of the higher-ranked models on our list. The K Mini makes coffee that tastes flat and burnt, though we did measure the coffee temperature to be 189 degrees Fahrenheit, which, surprisingly, is the hottest cup we recorded. In fact, no coffee brewed was lower than 180 degrees. Number 2. Our second best pick is Keurig K Slim. If you're looking for a baseline Keurig machine that won't hog counter space, the K Slim is a solid easygoing entry at only 4.7 inches wide. Its slender build is the total opposite of the typical bulky design from Keurig, and maintenance is fairly low-key thanks to the dishwasher-safe water reservoir and drip tray. Plus, its multi-stream technology ensures a richer cup of coffee by fully saturating its K-cups, a taste we found during testing to be much like the bold feature seen on other Keurig machines. Every coffee we brewed using the K Slim produced a tasty cup, providing both depth and flavor. It lacks the hot temperature required for the best-tasting coffee, however, as do all Keurigs. The hottest recorded cup was 181 degrees Fahrenheit, while 168 degrees was the lowest. We also clocked the machine's average brew time to be 1 minute and 25 seconds, though, unlike our top contenders, the K Cafe and K Elite, the K Slim's warm-up and brew cycles are combined, resulting in a longer wait. Still, like all Keurigs, the K Slim can brew a cup in less than 2 minutes. Number 3. Our third best pick is Keurig K Elite. The key to a tastier, more flavorful K-cup is a slower brew, and the K Elite's strong button feature helps achieve just that, and way more. This beast of a Keurig may lack a milk frother, but it makes up for it with several features: temperature control, a programmable clock to schedule a warming function, a hot water dispenser, the ability to brew iced coffee, and a massive 75-ounce water reservoir. The K Elite also has the widest serving size range, capable of brewing cups at 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces. It even comes with a Keurig-branded water filter to further purify the tank. We found the machine to be incredibly versatile with its range of coffee options, and during testing, it brewed K-cups faster than any other Keurig home model, with an average brew time of 34 seconds per serving. It uses about 115 kilowatt hours, which is slightly more energy than we recorded with the smallest Keurig offering, the K Mini. With a coffee pod latch that practically glides open and a noise reading of 67 dB, this machine is both easy to use and quiet in operation. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Keurig K Select. The K Select feels like a smarter upgrade of the K Classic, with a slightly smaller build, though somewhat bulky. It features that coveted strong button found in a few Keurigs that kicks up the flavor of K-cups, and it didn't disappoint. Though it's the same price as the K Classic, the K Select offers more in terms of boldness and, as testing revealed, a quieter warm-up and brew cycle. A 52-ounce water reservoir gives a 4-ounce lead over its predecessor, plus it can brew a 12-ounce serving, the largest size for Keurigs on the market today. Most Keurigs separate each warming and brewing cycle, and both can produce a range of noise. The K Select was the quietest machine we recorded while it warmed up, edging out at 63 decibels, and finishing its brew at around 67 decibels. This makes the K Select the quietest Keurig we've tested. It uses about 125 kilowatt hours, which is lower than what we measured with the K Classic at 130 kilowatt hours. It's also fairly easy to use and clean, with its straightforward button scheme and removable water reservoir. Take note that its performance might make for a messy kitchen, though, as plenty of splashing can occur during brewing. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Keurig K Cafe. Part coffee maker, part milk frother, the K Cafe is the best Keurig coffee maker overall because it combines the best of both worlds between pod machines and countertop espresso appliances. During testing, we found the strong brew function provided a deeper, richer flavor of K-cup coffee, while its shot feature, which brews a concentrated, espresso-like 2-ounce pour of coffee, is a terrific recreation of tasty espresso. Its milk frother is an added bonus, with the ability to heat and froth dairy and milk alternatives for lattes and cappuccinos, both iced and hot, at the push of a button, and in less than 2 minutes. After brewing 3 cups of each serving size, we measured the average time it takes for the K Cafe to brew a cup at 36 seconds, just behind the slightly faster K Elite and K Classic. Meanwhile, the frother is a longer process, averaging about 1 minute and 35 seconds per pitcher. It must be noted that the K Cafe cannot brew and froth milk at the same time. The frother is also located on the right side of the machine, which could frustrate those who are left-handed during operation. However, this is the only model from Keurig with a built-in milk frother, which makes it arguably the most versatile offering from the brand. Though we enjoyed the taste of the K Cafe's coffee, we found the temperatures to be a bit lacking. All of the Keurigs we reviewed were unable to brew coffee at hot temperatures. The hottest cup of coffee we measured from the K Cafe was only 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Those who prefer piping hot coffee may be disappointed by cooler temperatures. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.